Right, turn off the lights. We're gonna lose our minds tonight. What's the dealio? Oh my God, I love when it's all too much. 5 a.m., turn the radio up. Where's the rock and roll? Party crasher, money snatcher. Call me up if you a gangster. Don't be fancy, just get dancy. Why so serious? So raise the glass if you are wrong in all the right way. All my underdogs, we will never be anything but loud and nitty-gritty, dirty little chicks. Won't you come on, raise your glass? Come on, raise your glass. Oh my God, don't be fancy, just get dancing. Why so serious? So raise your glass if you are wrong in all the right way. All my underdogs, we will never be anything but loud and nitty-gritty, dirty little chicks. Won't you come on, raise your glass? Just come on, raise your glass. Just come on, raise your glass.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Anthony.
I don't so much like the song. I thought you brought some energy and verve to it, but the thing is, even when it's hard, you have to make it look a little easier. I just get the impression that you kind of, you make it look kind of difficult for me. I didn't like that so much, sorry.
Conroy.
I disagree. I like that actually. I saw that you brought something to it. You tried to be as fun and light, and you look nice. There are moments when I want a little bit more power from you on those high parts, but I liked it. It was fun and it was light. I liked it.
Alaine.
Yes, Anthonia, with your pink buns on the side of your head. I thought it was young and fun and bright and fresh, and you were bouncing around the stage and you sounded good. And you kept it together, you held it together. I think we have not given you enough credit on how good your voice is and how sure all of your notes always are. We've never had a problem with it. This is one of my favorite performances from you.
Thanks, judges.